Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error you encounter when you're trying to run Kali Linux or any other Linux distribution on VirtualBox. Now you can see var name not available, AMD-V is disabled in the BIOS by the host OS. Now this happens because virtualization is disabled on your PC. I am currently using the Ryzen 5 CPU. If we go to Task Manager and then go to Performance, CPU, you can see under here that virtualization is disabled. Now you may be using Intel, but it's still the same process. Now let's close this, close our virtual machine, and then restart your PC. Now hold F9, F12, escape or delete to open your BIOS. It may be different depending on the PC you're using. And then we can go to advanced settings under your BIOS. I'm currently using an Asus motherboard, so I'm just going to go to advanced settings. Then I'm going to go to my CPU configuration. In your case, it could be under system configuration. Then scroll down and you should find SVM mode, which is our virtualization. So just switch that from disabled to enabled. So this will enable CPU virtualization on your system. So we're just going to click on enabled, and that is all basically. Now this process may be different on your motherboard, but it's usually similar. We can save changes and reset. And we should reboot into our Windows and continue with VirtualBox. Now after enabling virtualization, we can head back to VirtualBox and then run our program again by clicking on start, and everything should work fine. Now if we go to Task Manager under Performance, CPU, you can see virtualization is now enabled. So basically this is how to enable virtualization on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer on AMD. The same process is applicable to Intel as well. It just has a different name. On Intel it is Intel VT, while on AMD it is SVM. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.